So 19. You are dividing a polynomial with an expression x plus 2, and it is written in the form of a plus. If you realize, again, those who missed it, please pay attention, Amma. Whenever you are dividing a number, for example, let's say you are dividing with 17 over 5, how would you write that? 3 plus 2 over 5. So this is your quotient, and that is your remainder. Do you all agree with that, Amma? Students, do you all agree with that? This is how you write it, right? When you divide a number, quotient and remainder.
Yeah.
If you divide a number with a divisor, the way you write is quotient plus remainder over the divisor. That is exactly you write, which means the A is your quotient, your B is your remainder. Got that? B is your remainder. So basically, he is asking us to find out the value of the remainder, right? Whenever you are asked to find out the value of a remainder, the easiest thing you can do, understand the shortcut. Take the denominator and solve for x, please. So x will be -2. Simply take the x value and plug it in the numerator. That's it. So 3 times -2 power 4 minus 2 -2 square minus 3. What is -2 power 4? 16. 16 times 3, 48. Minus -2 square, 4. 4 times -2, 8. Minus 3. Make sense, everyone? 48 minus 8 minus 3. What is 48 minus 8? 40. 40 minus 3, 37. That is your remainder. Is that clear, Emma? What do you need to do whenever you are trying to solve for a remainder? You simply solve for x, take the denominator expression, solve for x, and simply substitute in. That is one way of doing finding out the remainder. I will also show you your synthetic division, okay? So write down the coefficients in the decreasing degree order, and if you notice, the x cubed term is missing here. That means that is 0 times x cubed, and here the x term is missing. That means that is 0 times x power 1. So now write all the coefficients in the decreasing degree order. So 3, 0, and then -2, and then again a 0, and then a -3, right? Once you list out all your coefficients in the decreasing degree order, okay, now your x is -2 from the denominator. Now continue 3 as it is. What is 3 times -2? -6. Add, you get -6. Again, what is -6 times -2? Positive 12. Write down 12, add it. What do you get? 10. And then multiply 10 times -2, -20. 0 plus -20, positive 40. And 40 times the -2, no, it's 20, right? It's 20, yeah. So 20. What 20 times -2? -40. Hang on, something is missing. That's a 3, -6. That's a positive 12. And then if you add them, you get 10. 3, 0, -2, 0 again.
It's the negative next to the 20 on the bottom.
Okay, yeah, negative. Yeah, there you go. -20. Yeah. Okay. 0 plus -20 is a -20. -20 plus a -2 is positive 40. And if you add -3 plus 40, you get 37. So this is your remainder. This is your coefficient equation or coefficient expression, which will be, because it's x power 4 here, you reduce the degree by 1. 3x cubed minus 6x square plus 10x minus 20. This is your A. That's your A. And this is your B. Is that making sense, everyone? Students, please make sure you are comfortable with the synthetic division.
Oh, wait, Mr. Ramana, where'd you get the 17 over 5 at the beginning from?
No, this is just an example that I was trying to
Okay.
give you so you understand what you call this and what you call this. Just an example for you to really understand this way of writing. Is that making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.